Looking to keep your home spotless without lifting a finger? The top 5 best robot mop for tile floors offers powerful cleaning, smart navigation, and effortless convenience. Perfect for busy households, it saves time while leaving your floors shining and fresh. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. EVERYBOT Robot Mop for Tile Floors. The EVERYBOT Robot Mop for Tile Floors is an advanced home cleaning solution designed to save time and effort while delivering professional results. One of its standout features is the powerful 5,000 Pascal super suction that allows it to effortlessly capture dust, pet hair, crumbs, and even stubborn debris from both floors and carpets. With this much suction power, users can expect a deeper clean compared to standard vacuums. The BL20 Pro also comes with a 60-day hands-free cleaning system, thanks to its large-capacity dust collection station. This means users don't have to constantly empty the dustbin, as the robot automatically deposits dirt into a dust bag, keeping maintenance low and convenience high. Another highlight is its 360 degrees LiDAR precise mapping and navigation. Unlike older robot vacuums that wander randomly, this one intelligently scans the layout of your home, maps rooms accurately, and plans cleaning routes for maximum coverage. This makes the cleaning process up to 70% more efficient than traditional methods. Additionally, it offers a true 4-in-1 cleaning system, combining sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and self-emptying functions. The companion app lets you set personalized cleaning plans, adjust suction levels, schedule cleanings, and even create no-go zones to prevent the robot from entering restricted areas. With its quiet operation, smart controls, and multifunctional design, this robot mop is more than just a cleaning device. It's a thoughtful gift option for loved ones, making housework simpler and freeing up valuable family time. Number 2. XIEBro Life Robot Mop for Tile Floors. The XIEBro Life Robot Mop for Tile Floors offers a balance of performance, intelligence, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for households that want a dependable cleaning assistant. It features smart app and voice control compatibility, giving users multiple options to manage the device. Through the Tuya Smart app, you can customize cleaning schedules, change modes, or even direct the robot where to go. Integration with Google Assistant makes it possible to start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands, while the included remote control provides an easy manual option for those less comfortable with smartphone apps. What sets this robot apart is its dual 2-in-1 functionality. With 1,400 Pascal suction power, it effectively picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair, while the 230 milliliters electronically controlled water tank ensures a uniform mop for spotless floors. This makes it ideal for tile, laminate, parquet, and other hard floor surfaces. The robot can run for up to 100 minutes on a single charge, covering around 1,290 square feet, before automatically returning to its dock to recharge. It also has an upgraded intelligent obstacle avoidance system, powered by 3D sensors, which ensures it navigates smoothly around furniture, walls, and stairs. Standing just 2.87 inches tall, it can clean under beds and sofas where dirt often hides. Additionally, the robot offers for cleaning modes, auto, spot, edge, and zigzag for more targeted performance. Number 3. UMMUND Robot Mop for Tile Floors. The UMMUND Robot Mop for Tile Floors is a high-capacity cleaning companion that blends convenience with long-lasting performance. Designed as a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo, it allows users to tackle both dry debris and wet messes simultaneously, saving time and ensuring a deeper clean. Equipped with separate water and dust tanks, it can easily adapt to multiple cleaning needs, making it suitable for tile, laminate, hardwood, and other hard surfaces. One of the most appealing features of the UMMUND T7S is its impressive battery life. With a 2,600 mAh battery, it can run up to 180 minutes in quiet mode, 120 minutes in standard mode, and 100 minutes at maximum suction, covering an area of nearly 2,000 square feet before returning to its charging dock automatically. The robot is highly customizable via the Tuya Smart app, where users can adjust suction levels, set schedules, and choose cleaning modes with ease. It also works with Google Assistant for voice commands, providing hands-free control. Multiple cleaning modes are available, including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag, ensuring that no area is left untouched. To enhance efficiency, the UMMUND T7S comes with 15 intelligent infrared sensors that help it avoid walls, furniture, and stairs. Its slim 2.9-inch body allows it to glide under couches and tables, reaching places that are usually neglected. Additionally, it can climb thresholds up to 15 degrees, meaning it easily transitions between different floor types. Number 4. XIEBro Robot Mop for Tile Floors. The XIEBro Robot Mop for Tile Floors is another highly efficient and versatile cleaning solution designed for modern homes. As a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, it tackles dust, dirt, and spills with ease, thanks to its strong suction motor and electronically controlled water tank. The tank allows for 2-speed water output modes, ensuring just the right amount of water is dispensed depending on the type of floor, making it effective on all hard flooring types. A 300 milliliters dust box provides ample space to hold dirt, while the roller brush ensures deeper cleaning compared to suction-only models. The robot is equipped with a 2,600 mAh lithium battery that provides up to 120 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, 90 minutes in standard mode, and 70 minutes in high-power mode, covering approximately 1,290 square feet per charge. When the battery gets low, it automatically returns to its charging base, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. The XIEBro T8S can be controlled via remote, Tuya Smart app, or even through voice commands with Google Assistant, offering flexibility for different users. Multiple cleaning modes are available, including auto, edge, and spot cleaning, giving you the ability to target specific areas as needed. For navigation, the robot uses advanced 3D obstacle avoidance technology combined with infrared sensors, allowing it to detect and avoid furniture, stairs, and narrow passages. Its slim 2.9-inch design makes it capable of reaching under beds and sofas with ease. Number 5. EVERYBOT Robot Mop for Tile Floors. The EVERYBOT Robot Mop for Tile Floors stands out with its unique no-wheel design that ensures stronger contact and pressure with the floor surface. Unlike traditional robots that rely on wheels, this model weighs 4.4 pounds and uses 3 rotating mop discs to deliver a more thorough clean. The discs rotate with a powerful motor to tackle even stubborn dirt, while their extended edges allow them to reach corners and clean along walls more effectively than roller-type mops. Its cleaning pattern is random, but because of its efficient movement and wide coverage, it ensures all areas of a room are eventually cleaned. The EVERYBOT is also impressively quiet, operating at only 43 dB, which means it can clean without disturbing sleep, work, or relaxation. The 2,150 mAh high-capacity battery provides more than 120 minutes of continuous use, and the 300 milliliters water tank ensures the mop pads stay consistently damp throughout the session. It comes equipped with 11 anti-collision and fall prevention sensors, protecting both the robot and furniture. Controlling the EVERYBOT is simple and user-friendly, with 7 selectable cleaning modes accessible through the included remote control. No app or Wi-Fi is required, making it ideal for users who prefer straightforward operation. Modes include options for focused cleaning, edge cleaning, and wide area coverage, giving flexibility depending on the household's needs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.